Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a special treat for all of you who are interested in delicious and healthy cooking. We're diving into the world of whole grains, exploring tasty options that can be a game changer for diabetes management. I'm your host, your name, and I can't wait to share these fantastic recipes with you. So let's get started. Segment 1. The power of whole grains. Before we dive into these amazing recipes, let's talk about why whole grains are a fantastic choice, especially if you're managing diabetes. Whole grains are packed with essential nutrients, including fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. They also provide long-lasting energy and keep you feeling full. Now let's take a closer look at our first whole grain superstar. Segment 2. Tasty Breakfast Delight. For a fantastic and nutritious breakfast, I've got a delicious recipe that's perfect for starting your day off right. It's a whole grain berry parfait. Here's what you'll need. This beautiful parfait combines the goodness of whole grains with the sweetness of fresh berries, layered with Greek yogurt, whole grain oats, and a medley of berries. It's a delightful way to kickstart your morning and keep those blood sugar levels steady. Plus, it's incredibly easy to make. Segment 3. Hearty lunch option. Now, let's move on to a hearty and satisfying lunch option. We're making a flavorful whole grain veggie bowl. This dish is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. This veggie bowl is a fantastic balance of whole grains, lean protein, and a rainbow of veggies. It's a great way to keep your blood sugar in check while enjoying a mouthwatering meal. And the best part? You can customize it with your favorite vegetables and protein sources. Segment 4. Sweet and savory snack. It's snack time and I've got a treat for you. We're making whole grain nut bars. A sweet and savory snack that's perfect for satisfying your cravings while maintaining steady blood sugar levels. These nut bars are the ultimate combination of whole grains, nuts, and a touch of sweetness. They're perfect for an afternoon pick-me-up or a post-workout snack. Plus, they're easy to carry with you on busy days. And there you have it, folks, a wonderful journey through the world of cooking with whole grains, tasty options for diabetes management. We've explored the benefits of whole grains, created a delicious breakfast parfait, a hearty veggie bowl, and a delightful nut bar snack. These recipes are not only tasty, but also incredibly beneficial for anyone looking to keep their blood sugar levels in check. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting recipes and health tips. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, happy cooking.